In your Hoylu workspace, navigate to the top right menu, Insert, and choose Agility. Log into your Agility portal and then go to Applications in your Profile dropdown. Here, you can register your device and receive an authentication token. Copy and paste this token into Hoylu to connect your database. Tickets will be populated to drag and drop into your workspace. For now, let's minimize that. As you can see, I'm using Hoylu's Agile module, and I've created two columns, Sprint 1 and Sprint 2. Those sprints are divided into 4 sections, which I've labeled Week 1, 2, 3, and 4 in each. Before I start dropping tickets in, I'm going to take a look at my board settings. I am going to turn on Show Start End Date on Column so we can plan with concrete deadlines. And then I'm going to go into column settings and set the dates. I'm setting Sprint 1 as the month of April and Sprint 2 as the month of May. You'll see the dates when the column is collapsed. Now let's open back up our Agility window and start dragging tickets onto the board. You'll see that you can either drag and drop or check and import tickets. Start placing them in columns. For us, that will be sprints. Then you can open up the columns and organize tickets by sections, which for us is weeks. Tasks will inherit the color of the section by default. You can change the colors or turn it off completely and selectively color them if you'd like. With Hoylu, mark up the board, add tags and labels, and color code to your heart's content. Maybe with this new visualized plan, you realize some changes need to be made to deadlines, assignees, priorities, descriptions, or maybe you need to create a new ticket altogether. You can do this all in Hoylu and push it back to Agility.